Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be counting. So 1, 2, 3, count with me. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Number 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Number 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Number 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Number 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Number 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Number 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Number 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Number 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Number 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done everyone. Bye-bye and keep on practicing.